Welcome to one of our Alfa Laval 360-degree service and maintenance videos. With Alfa Laval Service, you maximize the reliability and uptime of your equipment. The result is superior performance throughout the life cycle of your equipment, performance that puts you ahead of the competition. Here we will focus on how to conduct service and maintenance on the standard Alfa Laval SCPP2 circumferential piston pump, using our service kit with genuine Alfa Laval spare parts. Remember, always read the instruction manual thoroughly to make sure you cover all maintenance steps. This video only shows you some of the steps. To maintain the Alfa Laval SCPP2 circumferential piston pump, these tools are required. Each Alfa Laval service kit contains all the spare parts you need. How to disassemble the SCPP2 circumferential piston pump. Start by removing the pump cover nuts and then the pump cover. If necessary, use a soft mallet and tap the cover to loosen it. Remove the pump cover O-ring. Now use a socket wrench to locate the rotors perpendicular to each other. To prevent the rotors from turning, insert a dowel made of plastic or other non-metallic material into the pump body. Remove the rotor nuts. Be sure to keep the Belleville washers with the nuts. Remove the rotor nut O-rings. Now remove the rotors by sliding them towards you and away from the shafts. Then remove the rotor hub O-rings and the rotor hub keys. Next, undo and remove the retaining screws on the pump body. Tap both sides of the pump body with a soft mallet and remove the pump body by sliding off the studs, taking care not to damage the mechanical seals or drop them onto the shafts.